Hi, I'm Jenny. I live in this property in Berkeley with my family, and I had this ADU built so that we could convert a duplex that was on the property into a house and have more space for us. And I want to introduce you to the ADU's designer, Sarah, the architect, and John, the builder, and Natalie is living in the ADU now.
Hi, I'm Natalie, and my fiance and I are both graduate students at UC Berkeley, and we've been living in this lovely ADU for the past 9 months, and I'm excited to show you around.
So when I started thinking about this project, the motivation was mostly to provide more space for me and my family in the main house, which used to be a duplex. But when I met Sarah, the architect, and John, the builder, they were very well versed in green building solutions. And I was even happier to be able to build something that was environmentally friendly as well as meeting my initial purpose. So in addition to the cottage itself, John also built this shelter for our bikes, which has space for 6 bikes, which both me and my children and Joseph and Natalie use to ride around town.
This cottage is all electric and very well insulated with cellulose and rock wool insulation. We only needed minimal electric heating.
And we used 2 blower door tests to confirm the air sealing strategy so that we knew that no matter what, we would not need to use very much energy to heat the building.
I, the architect, painted the beam, which is something I don't normally get to do. It was a lot of fun. And John hand carved the 3 hand carved posts.
Welcome to my kitchen. There are 3 primary green features. The first is the all-electric stove, which doesn't foul the indoor air quality. Second is these great tiles, which are from a local company called Fireclay that uses reclaimed materials. And last is the awesome combined dish storage / dryer rack, which is really convenient.
Most of the wood used on this project is certified by the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC certified. The wood from this table was actually salvaged from one of our previous jobs. This is fir framing wood from a house in Berkeley.
One thing that Sarah and I were very conscious of when we were designing the house was that we wanted it to be small but still practical. So she added a lot of interesting storage features and spaces that can be used practically within a small area, such as?
Yeah, my fiance and I are pretty outdoorsy. We have a lot of gear, and we managed to fit basically all of it. So we have our camping supplies, our bike helmets under here, and in that one as well, we have skis under the bed. So even with a pretty gear-oriented lifestyle, we're able to fit in a very small space. So this is a heat recovery ventilator that brings in fresh air to the bedroom and the rest of the house. And here you can see even more great storage that's built in. We have these drawers that go all the way back, so we can fit clothes, and we have our skis here, so more great convenient storage. So one more feature that shows off how the design makes the most of a small space is instead of closet doors, we just have this curtain, which also is nice because it's less building material overall. So this is where we hang all of our clothes, and it fits really nicely in this space. So this is our Energy Star washing machine, and since we don't have a dryer, we often use the ladder to the loft to hang things, as well as a little standing rack. But the ladder works really well for towels and sheets and things. And the ladder takes you up to the loft, which we use as a hangout space. We have a record player and some pillows, and it's also kind of a guest bedroom when we have people come visit.
The floor is concrete, which is a very durable material. which is good for a rental. And it's also high volume fly ash concrete. I'm not sure the exact percentage we ended up with, but that is concrete where some of the Portland cement is replaced with a waste product, which makes it a little less of a carbon footprint.
The main house has solar panels that provide the energy for both of the houses on the property. And also in the main house is an electric heat pump hot water heater, which also gives the hot water for both households. As part of making this small house comfortable for everyone, Sarah figured out a way to create a small patio that provides a private outdoor space separate from the rest of the property.
Thank you for visiting our home, and I hope that some of these green features have inspired you for your future building projects.